my last video, I tried dropshipping for 1 month to see if I could build a profitable store. And I managed to get consistent Facebook sales for like 26 days, but I struggled to find profit. And after not being able to make this work, I decided to cut my losses and move on to another product. But is it really the product, or is it the platform that is causing the issue? So in this video, I'm going to test this theory out by testing 3 different products on different platforms such as Facebook, TikTok, and Snapchat. But first up on the list is Facebook. The first thing I'm going to have to do is find a product. This is most definitely the hardest part about dropshipping, so I'm going to spend a lot of time trying to find that winner. So far, I've been using AdSpy to find recent products with the most engagement on Facebook. And then from there, I go to the Facebook ad library to see if they are scaling. And because I have to test 3 products in this video, I already did the research beforehand to speed up the process. The first product that I'm going to be testing on Facebook is these propagation garden balls. I decided to give this a shot because it does solve a problem to people who have gardens and want to speed up the process of growing a plant. This is also in an unsaturated niche, which may give me an advantage. But last video, everyone said that my offer was a problem because I ran a free plus shipping offer. This way I can get people directly to my checkout. However, because of this, you guys claimed that I seemed scammy because they were technically not free. So this time I'm going to test that theory by running a buy 3, get free shipping offer to limit the confusion at checkout. I'm also going to create bundle packs with free shipping as upsells to get a higher AOV. But we'll see. This product is in a different niche that I've never tried before, so we'll have to target gardeners. For the website, I've been using Debutify, which makes branding a website super easy. I also used AI to rewrite and reword my website, and then I created GIFs to show off the product. Today, it is a necessity to have GIFs because people are lazy and don't want to read, so a GIF is an easy way to explain what the product does without telling them. Anyway, I spent a couple of hours branding everything and fixing up little things for my website, and yeah, this is what it looks like. Now that I have a simple branded website with a realistic offer, I'm going to have to test my ads. However, this part is one of the most important parts and can either make or break your business. And as a beginner, it can be super hard to know what a good ad looks like, and it could also be frustrating to find all the clips to edit a video. But lucky for you, there is a solution because I have been lucky to partner with Viral Ecom Ads for this video. They are a great company to work with because of how fast and efficient they are. I got my split testing video ad package in literally 1 day, and they created 4 different video ads, 1 image ad, and 2 thumbnails. So basically, I didn't have to do a thing. You guys can get 15% off using my code, but I'll put a link in the description if you're interested. Anyway, let's get back to the video. After getting back the ads, I set up a quick campaign on Facebook to see if I could start getting sales. I started with creating 10 ad sets budgeted at $5 a piece, running different interests to the big 5. So I ran this product for a total of 2 days because of how cheap I was selling it. My store got 101 total store sessions with 21 add to carts, 13 sessions, and 2 sales. The sales made up of a grand total of $9.16. Oh my god. But after spending $79.71, I quickly realized that I would have to sell so many products just to even get close to breaking even. So there's literally no point. And based off these 2 days, I knew it wasn't going to happen, so I decided to cut my losses and move on to another product. And the next product I discovered was this tulip mirror that looks pretty eye-catching to the viewer. And because of this, I think that this might work well on TikTok. Maybe I can get the video to go viral. I'm also going to try a $19.99 plus shipping offer just to see if I can get more customers to check out. I made a general store for my website this time, and honestly, I didn't want to make another website from scratch. So I guess you can call me lazy, but I see other general stores that make tons of money, so I'll take the opportunity to test it myself. And remember, if you want to be lazy like me, use Viral Ecom Ads because they make it super easy to start testing, like literally instantly. But speaking of testing, I have ads to run. My strategy is structured a little differently than Facebook. See, on TikTok, you want the algorithm to do all the work for you. So instead of picking different interests and trying to find that certain target audience, you let TikTok do all the work for you. I ran a CBO budgeted at $50 a day, running broad to US and Canada. I ended up running this product for 2 days as well because of how bad my analytics were. And the only reason why I tested this product to begin with is because of the competition I seen using Dropship.io. But I think the main mistake that I made here is just because it's working for another brand doesn't necessarily mean I'm gonna make a ton of money. They came in before me, have a higher budget to spend, and basically that's gonna outbid me and win over all of the customers. So yeah, I have no shot, and I don't think this product is that good anyway, so I'm just gonna move on. This last product I wanted to try on Snapchat. On Snapchat, I noticed most of the ads that are working are TikTok-style videos, so I have to keep that in mind when finding another product. This is also my first time testing on Snapchat, so I have to make an account and warm up a campaign. After that, I started looking for products until I came across this water hose for dogs. The reason this product caught my attention is because it is in the pet niche, which is a really good niche, and it also solves a common problem for dog owners. I also added more products when I decided making my website. I used the same general store as the last product, but this time I turned it into a pet store. I added multiple other dog-related products as well as an upsell. But this time I'm gonna try selling the Pup Jet for $34.99, which is kind of pricey, but I also have an offer where if they buy 2 or more items, they're gonna get free shipping and a gift. And I did all of this by using an app called Monster Cart Upsell to push those products when someone adds to cart. I've even seen my competitors selling this exact product, but they are using TikTok and Facebook to scale. So I think that Snapchat might be the best way to tap into this market. The only way to know is to test. I ran this product for 6 days total, and on the first day, I spent $20 and made nothing. So I cut that campaign and started a new one targeting to all the countries except the US because I was spending too much of the budget on this country. On day 2, I ran it again, spending $30 and made nothing again. So I realized that this wasn't even the issue in the first place, so I changed my offer to see if I can get any sales. On day 3, I spent $30 on ads and I got 2 sales, but after all the fulfillment costs, I ended up losing $13. But I ran it again for the next 3 days, and the results just kept getting worse and worse. So in total, after the 6 days of running this product, I ended up making negative $141 from this product. Out of testing all these products to various platforms, I came to the conclusion that the issue doesn't lie within the product or the platform that you tested on. The issue relies on experience. To become successful at dropshipping or even anything, you need to continuously learn from your mistakes and get better. And even though I tested 3 products, I've gained so much experience. And in the end, that is the most important part.